Easy to use. The famous Zebco 202 Spincast combo features a 5-foot 6-inch 2-piece fishing pole, size 30 fishing reel and 27-piece tackle kit. You will be ready to hit the water with the patented no-tangle design and simple push-button mechanics for ease of use, making this reel great for both beginners and experienced anglers. 27 PIECE Tackle Kit. The tackle pack comes as a complete set, ensuring you are ready to go catch your prize fish right away, and includes 6 hooks, 6 split-shot sinkers, 3 swimbaits, 3 jig heads, 6 curly tail grubs, 1 spinner attachment, and 2 bobbers. Smooth performance. The size 30 Spincast reel is constructed with all-metal gears, a 2.8:1 gear ratio and a stainless steel pickup pin for a silky smooth yet durable performance. Featuring a dial-adjustable drag and QuickSet anti-reverse to stop your handle from moving backward and create a solid hookset in the mouth of a fish when reeling in your catch. The right-hand reel is pre-spooled with 10-pound Cajun fishing line, so you can start your fishing adventure sooner. Expertly designed. Dependable and designed to last, the 202 Spincast combo was expertly designed. A great all-purpose fishing setup, the easy casting Spincast reel is custom-matched to a durable fiberglass rod to help you to reel in the big ones all day long. Trusted. Since 1949, Zebco has been inviting people to explore the outdoors. Zebco products are warranted for a period of 1 year from date of original retail purchase against defects in workmanship and/or materials. Top reviews from the United States. Great value, the best for the early angler. I started fishing with this same Zebco 202 reel. I am 68 now and bought this for my grandson, and he loves it. Started him practicing casting on the back lawn with a small weight. Overhead and sidearm casting, and keep the line out of the trees.